Okay, now we're going to talk about the depth dial gauge and the knob that you turn to set the depth on a John Deere riding mower like the X series. This is an X500, but it's pretty much the same on the X300, and a lot of them use this. What happens is this dial is plastic. It's a very poor design. It could have easily been re-engineered by John Deere, but they just, poor engineering, and that way they can sell more of them basically. But it breaks off. You can see right on the end here, and it leaves maybe like a 3/4 inch piece still stuck on that metal shaft that's right there. Now the plastic sticks to it. It doesn't rust on it or anything because it's plastic, but it's sometimes hard to pull off. So what you do is you take, oops, drop that one. You take a rod or a screwdriver, just something like this, very simple, and you push down against the plastic piece that's there, and then take a hammer, a small hammer, and tap that screwdriver. What you're trying to do is push that plastic piece down maybe a 1/4 inch. It doesn't go very far, okay? And then once it's down, you take a lubricant, kind of like WD-40 or something like this, and you spray that piece of plastic and that piece of metal that's sticking there. Then what you do is I just simply took a vice grips, stuck it down in there, on that plastic, grab it real hard, and it pulls straight up, real easy. Just came off in a second. Then, to make it stronger again, you can see this is a new one, and it's got the metal rings on it, but the weak spot on them is right there. That's where the plastic is thin, and it's very weak, and they break off. So the way a fix around that is take a clamp, like a hose clamp, a simple hose clamp, loosen it, put it on there around that plastic, and you've more than doubled and tripled the strength because it's metal, and it doesn't affect anything, and it makes that plastic much stronger, so it'll probably never break again. So simple fix. Take the hammer and something like this screwdriver or a bar or something, tap the plastic down a little bit, spray it with a lubricant like WD-40 or whatever. Then you take your vice grips to pull that piece up and off, and then put the hose clamp on the new piece and put it on, and you're all set. It'll probably never break again.